Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix problem download. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now you might be facing this problem that says download on too many devices, right? When you try to download a video on Netflix and this pop-up shows that says you have too many downloads on devices, right? Now in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is open up your Netflix in your browser, and once you're there, tap on the three bar icon on the top left corner of the screen, and on tapping that you'll have this menu. Tap on the account option on the top of this options, and once you tap on account, you'll be sent to this page, right? Now all you gotta do is simply scroll down at the bottom, and there you'll find an option that says manage download devices. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be sent to the page where it will show you the devices that are connected with that Netflix account. Now all you gotta do is just simply remove some of the devices, and now in order to do that, tap on remove device and then tap on remove device once again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.